Hi, this is Jack on the Syncari team, and today I want to talk about using datasets as sources within Syncari. Before we get into that, let's first talk about what a dataset is. A dataset is a query that you build inside of the Insight Studio so you can produce a dashboard, much like the one shown here. All of these individual cards are built off of a dataset, which we can actually take a look at by going into one here from our side view. The dashboard we were just looking at was all built off this same data set here, where we're grabbing information from our Account 360 entity, selecting our data, adding calculations, setting filters, etc., to produce a table full of the calculations and the information that we care about. Now, once we have that data set, not only can we build a dashboard, but we can actually start to do a bit more with it. What is a dashboard if not another silo of information for people to look at on a daily basis and decide what to do with? Within Syncari, we can take those data sets that you build to build these visualizations and activate them downstream within our Syncari pipelines. If I go into any of my entities here, you have the ability to select any of the data sets that you've built and published within Insights and use them as a source of information within your entity pipelines. So if we take the pipeline I have on the screen here, I'm taking my information coming out of my Salesforce instance, running it through Syncari. When it hits Syncari, I build the dashboard that I just showed you a moment ago, and then I'll take those data sets and use them as sources within the same pipeline. I'll append and attach these data points together so I know how the data sets relate to one another. And once I've done so, this allows me to drive downstream actions on top of the information coming out of my CRM system. For instance, my data set and my dashboard that I showed you just a moment ago is being used to calculate things like NPS score. This isn't information that's normally found within my Salesforce environment, but I can calculate it depending on my own metrics and own evaluations that I care about for me and my team. From here, I don't have to go look at the dashboard anymore. Whenever I see an NPS score change, I can filter this out and automatically notify the account owner that this has changed and help them procure a task for that account so they know what to do and how to manage it. Now, it doesn't stop at just NPS scores and sending emails. You can actually calculate anything you care about and have the information to build inside of Insights. In this case, I can also track usage as well. I know my customers' usage coming out of my product platform. I'm calculating that inside of Insights and meshing that with their account limit inside of my CRM system. In this case, I check for how that information has changed, and I can automatically create upsell tasks inside of my CRM and force that upon the account owners so they know exactly how they're being overaged inside of a usage-based platform model. Now, don't let it stop at just usage and short metrics. You can also calculate financial metrics. You can calculate deeper product analysis. You can do this for tickets exposed within a customer success motion. As long as you have the data backing and the process to do so, you can build within Insights, use that data set as a source of information inside of your pipeline, and allow it to automatically produce the results and activations that you care about for you and your team. No more one more silo just to look at and keep track of that information. You can all automate it within Syncari and ensure nothing ever gets missed. If you have any questions about how data sets can be used for you and your team, or you want to understand more deeply about how it can work within your systems, please reach out to the Syncari sales team and we'd be happy to assist you. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon.